What the devil wants to tell you is that it's your fault something is happening because of this delay. It's your fault. No, my friend, listen. In the Old Testament even, like Abraham's story, it wasn't because of Abraham's sin. God waited until Abraham could not, and then Isaac came. All the glory goes to God. But the thing is this, there was a lesson. When Abraham finally received his manifestation, listen, God told him, I'll multiply your seed as the stars of the heaven and as a sand on the ashore. And today when we look around, look, all this is the seed of Abraham. Abraham has more seeds than all those Egyptian women, all the Philistine women walking around pregnant. Abraham, today we are called sons of Abraham. Best of all, Abraham started learning about who God is, his wonderful person, that all these other people never got to know. Sometimes, in the delays, there is the revelation. And because he loves you, he delays so that you have a revelation that others don't have. Those hidden never knew the revelation that Abraham had. Isn't it wonderful?